Hi, I'm Deyshawlah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to embellish your Aso Oke from the comfort of your house. So the things you're going to be needing are your paper stones, also called pattern stones. It comes in a sheet like this, and you'd be the one to use your scissors to cut out the patterns or cut the paper into several pieces. Then you're going to be having something like what I have on my Aso Oke here. The next things you need are your flat back pearls. I'm going to be using gold, pink and white, and also the regular stones. You also need your fabric glue. I'm using E6000. An alternative is Fevicryl. So those are the two fabric glues I use. You also need a piece of cloth, you know. Hi, I'm Deyshawlah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to embellish your Aso Oke from the comfort of your house. So the things you're going to be needing are your paper stones, also called pattern stones. It comes in a sheet like this, and you'd be the one to use your scissors to cut out the patterns or cut the paper into several pieces. Then you're going to be having something like what I have on my Aso Oke here. The next things you need are your flat back pearls. I'm going to be using gold, pink and white, and also the regular stones. You also need your fabric glue. I'm using E6000. An alternative is Fevicryl. So those are the two fabric glues I use. You also need a piece of cloth, to protect your stone and fabric from your steam iron. So the pattern stones are arranged on something like a sellotape, and then the white sheet, the thing you're seeing there's like a white sheet, is now placed on top of the sellotape to protect the stones from shifting. So now I'm going to be separating the white sheet from the sellotape and then place the sellotape face down on my fabric. So place the sellotape face down on my fabric. So I'm going to do that for the remaining 6 pieces. You can arrange your own patterns in any order you like, however you like it. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So after pulling it all off, I'm going to be placing my fabric on top of the sellotape and iron. So you use your steam iron. The steam iron makes your work, faster than the regular iron because it's the heat that fuses the stones to your fabric. You understand? So you need a steam iron. So I just continue to iron each pattern in this manner. I continue to iron each pattern until the sellotape looks like it's stuck to my fabric. So after doing that, I allow it to cool a little bit and then I peel off the sellotape gently. If you don't allow it cool down, the sellotape might still be strong enough to pull back up and place it on your cloth. So I'm almost done filling up the bare spaces with the single stones. I'm almost done now. So now that I'm done with the same process, I'm going to place the fabric on top of it and then iron. So this time around, you don't move your iron around. You place the iron on it, lift it up, place it again. You lift it up, you place it on the next spot. You lift it up, you place it on the next spot, so that the stones beneath do not shift. You can afford to move your iron over the paper stones because the sellotape is holding it in place. But with this one, you can't afford to. Sometimes when I get impatient, I just iron directly on the fabric, but that's risky. If the fabric is not, strong enough, the heat can damage it. That's why you need that cloth. So that's it, I'm done. The last thing now is to arrange the pearls. I started with my Fevicryl. But Fevicryl is very strong actually, but it doesn't dry on time. So if you know you're going to be making use of the fabric immediately after you embellish it, I advise you to use your E6000. That one dries faster. So now I'm placing the pearls on the fabric in no particular order. I'm just placing it. You know, if my eye sights a particular spot, I place it on it. The pearls should always come last because the heat from the iron can damage it. Those colors are coated on it. It's not like it came originally in that color. And then secondly, the size of the pearls makes it bumpy to iron on. So if you place the pearls before ironing on your stones, this iron is not going to, you know, touch the stones, and it's not going to provide enough heat to fuse the stones to your cloth. So it's going to hinder your ironing process. So your pearls should always come last after you finished all forms of ironing. So I'm just going to continue like this until I feel satisfied. You know, you could place the pearls on it in a different pattern, but I just want it to be scantily arranged all around, you know, in no particular order. So guys, that's how to stone your Aso Oke. This method is applicable to any cloth, any material you want to stone, be it your Ankara, you know, your lace, whatever, you can use the same method. So now that I've, you know, shown us how to do this, if I'm working on a turban in the future, I'm not gonna, you know, go into in-depth details on how I embellished it, because I believe that we all understand this process. If you found this video helpful, please, I really want you to hit the like button, give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to be updated when I post further videos, future videos. Tell your friends about me, share my video. My videos are for free, just to share my knowledge with people who are interested in it. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.